welcome back to my channel The Invisible Tiara, and today I am trying out sugar products for the first time and give you my honest opinion and review. All the products are in this cute little bag and these has 6 products inside और आपको मैं उनके बारे में डिटेल में मेकअप करते हुए बता दूंगी और ये मेकअप लुक मैंने उन्हीं प्रोडक्ट से क्रिएट किया है. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. Okay, let me first talk a little bit about the bag. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty cream colored bag which is so cute. I personally love this hoops detailing going right here, and you can carry it somewhere you're going with little products in it because I don't think so it can carry too heavy products. When you open it, you have a red cloth inside. This is the only part which I didn't like, guys. I really didn't like the texture and the color of it inside. I don't know why it is. And here are the products inside which I'll be sharing. This bag has 6 products in it, and if you go and buy them individually, it will cost you around 2,100 something, and as the deal was going on, I got all the 6 products with this bag in just 1,200 rupees. Okay, so the deal which I'm talking about was that they were selling these 6 products with this bag in just 1,200 rupees. And now you don't have this deal going on currently, but Sugar always have some or the other special kids design on their website. If you go visit their website, you will definitely find something or the other. So the 6 products are a mask, a moisturizer, a kajal, a mascara, and 2 liquid lipsticks. Okay, so the first product which I have is their face mask. This is their Aquaholic Water Boost Mask. So this claims to give deep hydration, lowers skin temperature, retains moisture, smoothens and replumps skin. I'm not going to try this today, but I'll definitely share the review on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. So the second product is their Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. This moisturizer has a little glow particles in it. This is what the tube looks like from inside, and there is 25 ml of product. I guess they have shades in it, and this particular shade is Gold Ticken 01. So if you look at the consistency, yeah, you can see the shine here. So I have primed and moisturized my face, and as usual I have used the Insight primer and the Pond's moisturizer. These are my favorites. So for the foundation today, I am taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. Even this foundation I'm trying today for the first time. बहुत सारे आपको यहाँ पे नए products try कर रही हूँ मैं आज, तो आपको एक ही वीडियो में इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू मिल जाएगा. Good, right? This comes with this kind of applicator. So I'm taking the product and on my hand. By the way, I'm using the same Plumco sponge to blend my foundation. So I have applied the foundation and the illuminating moisturizer, and this is how the skin right now looks. I can definitely see कि यहाँ पे मेरे थोड़ा moisturizer से glow आया है. Talking about the foundation, I really loved it. I really like the consistency of it. It's not at all cakey, and it gives your face a very nice flawless look. And this is a photo focus foundation, means कि आप जब photos लोगे या videos करोगे तो आपके face पे वो फ्लैशबैक नहीं करेगा. समटाइम्स व्हेन यू सी कि आप फाउंडेशन लगाते हो तो फोटो में आपका फेस एक अलग ही वाइट सा दिख रहा होता है, तो इसमें आपको वो इशू नहीं आएगी. आई विल गिव अ बिग thumbs up to the foundation and the moisturizer too. Moving on to the concealer, today I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer, and I am in the shade medium beige. After the concealer, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Compact and this shade is Golden Medium. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm taking the Elegance Nudes palette. I am mixing this two shades right here and applying it on my eyes. Then I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and picking up this shade right here and applying it on the outer V of my eyes. You can use the same brush to apply the eyeshadow or use some kind of this brush. I have this brush from Miniso, which is slightly angular from here, so which helps you to apply the eyeshadow directly in on the outer V. You don't need much, extra effort. This is what my eyes look so far after blending the second shade. Now taking the Elegant palette again, I'm picking up this shimmery shade here. You need to pick this shade up with a wet brush. So I'm taking my setting spray. I'm taking the shade and directly applying it on the center of my lid. I have applied it on the inner corners too. So after the eye look, I'm applying the blush. And yeah, it's the same Maybelline Sticky Glow blush. So coming to the third product by Sugar, which is this heavy duty Kohl, and this is in the shade Black Magic. I'll swatch it for you here. It has slight glittery particles in it. So I'm using this today as a liner. Let me tell you, this glides very smoothly, like butter, seriously. So after the application of the Kohl, this is what my eyes look like. Coming to the fourth product, which is this mascara. This is their Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black Beauty. Oh my god, I literally love this mascara. Like, it's so pretty. You can definitely see the difference, right? Okay, so after the mascara, moving on to the highlighter. I'm using the Instant Glow Highlighter Shimmer Brick, wrapping the brush over it and applying it on the cheeks. Now coming to the fifth and the sixth product, which are these two liquid lipsticks. I got two shades, which is Suave Mauve and Fairy Berry right here. I'll swatch both the shades for you so you can see how it looks. But before that, please take a moment and appreciate these two mini lipsticks. Oh my god, just look at it, how cute it is. Even if this gets finished, I'm going to keep it. It's so tiny. Aww. Okay. So this is what Suave Mauve looks like. It's a very nice pinky mauvey shade, and let me swatch it right here. By the way, these lipsticks are a bit drying, so make sure you apply lip balm before applying these. And this is Fairy Berry looks like. This is a very nice berry shade. I am applying Suave Mauve on my lips. So this is what Suave Mauve looks on me. I guess this shade is somewhere washing me out. अगर कोई मेरे skin tone से ज़्यादा dark है तो it will definitely wash them out. So I would not recommend it for someone who is darker than me, and somewhere this is washing me out also, I feel. So I don't know, you can see it on the camera, but yeah, it is washing me out a little bit. Okay, let me talk a little bit about the consistency. These lipsticks dries complete matte, and these are not going anywhere until and unless you eat something oily. That's what I have heard about it. I have not experienced, क्योंकि मैं खुद ये प्रोडक्ट्स फर्स्ट टाइम ही ट्राई कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे इनका रियल टाइम एक्सपीरियंस पता नहीं है. ये थोड़ी सी आपके इनर लिप्स से चली जाती हैं इफ़ यू ईट समथिंग ऑयली. टू रिमूव दिस यू नीड टू यूज सम ऑयल बेस्ड मेकअप रिमूवर, और use the coconut oil to remove it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and that was my first impressions with trying some of the sugar products. If you ask me personally, my favorites was the mascara and the Kohl. Mascara was really shocking for me. It was unexpected. I didn't thought that it would be so great, and I'm holding it right now. And yeah, I would say sugar products are really good. One should definitely give it a try once. And yeah, I completely forgot. With all those products, they also gave this cute little pouch which says "Rule the world one look at a time," and it's a very nice cute little pouch. I think they gave it to store all the products inside. It's really cute. I'm really gonna use it. And yeah, even the Wet n Wild foundation was really too good. If you like the video and the review of the products or some of the products, or somewhere if it was helpful to you, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.